This is what I was filming last night. See, but my phone ain't all that great, so I can't. I can't. What do you call it? Yeah. This is Muhammad Ali Street, by the way. That's over here. And then just downtown. It's the greatest town over there. That sign right there says downtown. The greatest. So there's no need no. This might not have a big professional basketball, MLB, NBA. Shalom. Yeah, that's a big old stage and everything. So yeah, that's what it is. They just told me where the next food line is, the best one. This one's like when everybody goes to or like just for good food and plenty. And if you throw away, they say I can get like get as much as you want, but yeah, it's good to know where it's at. Save a little money because it does get expensive. I treated my boys to eat. Came out at 24 something bucks. To take the young men, I have to break bread. You know, we've been walking together, the home of myself, and we did talk a lot more and discuss everything. And that papers that I read that I got at the Greyhound, man, those are really very good. So I can help them out with that. Explains it really well. What color means anything to anybody right now during these times in those in the scriptures? I don't know, but that's a lot of them. They think of color has anything to do with the. Sure, there's difference of it, of course, the skin color, but there's so many brown skin colors, and it doesn't even hint much anywhere else. Sometimes, some lines it is. Like Solomon, they were darker skin down with it. But that's not even what we're trying to do with here. People have, every life is a different world, different situation, different everything that they're against. Like this world is just helping people out with. And the Gentiles, now it's called for us to call out to the Gentiles. Calling out to the Gentiles is everybody. It's everybody in need. So that's something right there. And that's a really nice painting. Yeah, this is a painting or a raft. It's really good. That's probably one of the best hand strokes I've seen. Third Street guy. Look at that. Crazy. It's really well done. This is like a picture. Alright, well, almost on our way. Hallelujah. Down Muhammad Ali Lane. It's like walking down Muhammad Ali Lane. Too. I like Muhammad Ali. Shalom. I mean, you know, Islam is black too, you know what I mean? Arabs are black too. India is black too. I don't know about Russia. Probably not a black dude in Russia. I don't know. I know they're in France and everything. I don't know, man. It's just following the commandments. That's what's important. Loving one another that have loved you. That's what's important. But yes, we still seek the lost tribes. And that, they're the brothers.